Tell me three food that your mother doesn't like.
My mother doesn't like banana juice, strawberry and chocolate.
Tell me three drinks that your mother doesn't drink.
My mother doesn't drink banana juice, alcohol and soju.
Tell me TV show that your mother doesn't watch.
My mother doesn't TV watch cartoon. No movies and
Tell me three songs that your mother doesn't listen to.
my mother doesn't listen to pop, DJ and rapper.
Tell me three places that your mother doesn't visit. Tell me three places that your mother doesn't visit.
My mother doesn't visit or England, United and Korea.
Tell me three animals that your sister doesn't like.
My sister doesn't like snake, monkeys, or snake monkey and dog.
Tell me three subjects that your classmates don't enjoy.
My classmate don't enjoy or is English or physics.
Tell me three songs. Tell me three countries that you don't want to visit. Tell me three countries that you don't want to visit. Tell me three books that your mother doesn't read.
My mother doesn't read